Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I bought something I never thought I would. I bought I guess it's a Reborn. It's not an expensive one, of course, but it's a silicone. And I bought a small silicone, and I really like her a lot. Like a lot. And every month, there's the Elf Challenge on YouTube, where we show dolls that are elves to a theme. And that is hosted by J Dolls UK and Teenie at Playful Reborn. And of course, J. I should have said J at J Dolls UK. And Penny has and Jay have the cutest baby elves. Oh my God. Anyway, so here I am opening up. Oh, cute. Well, let's look at the stuff I did get. Turn her this way. She's supposed to be 17-inch, and that doesn't look 17-inch, but we'll see. Little bottle. That's cute. Where's the nipple to? Oh, there it is on the inside. Okay, like a regular baby. And probably a care sheet in other instructions for use. Yeah. Not
dress it and love it. And
Indeed. And she, uh-oh. That looks awfully small for a 17-inch doll.
and no feetsies.
Yeah, I thought it does have feet.
It does. The feet look really short, but it's just the construction.
And a pacifier with a container. I'm concerned she's not as large as I had thought. I'll be measuring her, I'll tell you that.
I'm sure it's legs stretched out.
Let's put this back in here. The other one that I have, Boo, I do Pika Wednesday with her, and she's Boo. And I really like her a lot. Oh God, look at his face. Ah, crazy eyes. Oh, that's really cute. These dolls are correct. Humanly correct. So we'll just throw this over. Oh my God, it's like a newborn. It really is. She is so cute. This is just a little eBay find. I went back and forth on the price because if you watch my channel, don't knock the Monster Highs over. They're all set up for Halloween. Look at her little feet. That's awful cute. Feel that, Darren. Just feel, it's like a real human skin. It's just so freaky. And those little hands, oh, that's cute. Those eyes aren't big enough for the holes in the, it needs to be
pushed, a little bit smaller eyes.
Pushed back down or something. But that feels oily. I will get her powdered up and dressed and measured. But yeah, I like her. God, she's heavy.
Yeah, she looks 16, 17 inches.
Yeah. I think, isn't there a measuring?
There's one right here by my knee.
Okay, let's take a look.
Not a.
She is by Evita, I believe. Let's see. You pull her out. She really does feel like a real baby, and she's really heavy. That silicone really gives you the feel of a real baby. I would say 16 at best. What would you say? That is not 17 inches. I mean, you really have to point the toe.
You stretch arms stronger.
Yeah. I'm going to have you take a picture of that so I can contact them and say, wait a minute.
Not quite to the top of the head, though.
Am I not?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe. How's that?
It's hard for me to tell from over here, but
I guess they're
close.
calling that 17 with the toe pointed.
Like I said,
I thought it'd be bigger.
It's close.
Yeah, I thought it'd be bigger, but you know what? Cute enough. I bought, and I bet it won't fit because I expected her to be larger. Yeah, that's going to be a little big. This is a preemie outfit. We'll try it though. Let's see how much bigger. Oh, how am I going to find her clothes?
Yeah.
Oh, that's disappointing.
Human baby clothes aren't, not even the preemies aren't going to work for you.
Well, maybe. We'll see. I do like her. I'm just disappointed.
She's not a little bigger.
Yeah, and I bought her these also. I got that at Walmart. I got these at Dollar General for $1. Thought they were cute. Just cute little booties. Well, thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Now be nice about her eyes, her crazy eyes. And today's song, I bet I carried that in the house. Highway to Hell. If you know what we're doing on this channel in October, we are giving a song, a Halloween song or a song Halloween-ish, and asking you to, in the comments, along with your regular comment, to give a line from the song. Hopefully the next line, like if I say, you know, Highway to Hell, then you say the next line in our comments. Let's see if I can put this pacifier in her mouth. So that's our song. Oh, that's going to take... Okay, Reborn people, help me out. What am I doing wrong here? And...
It's not hungry.
What am I doing wrong here? And do I have to split that or fix it or what? Because look, and then look at the size of this.
Yep.
I don't know. That doesn't. I bet I have to cut that down a little bit or something. I don't know. It's different than I thought. Okay, so I brought her in. We were in the studio when I opened her. I brought her in. I gave her a good bath, and I like her. Look at the blushing and veining in her legs and the blushing in her creases. But the veining is pretty amazing. You can see it here and right in her chest where you always see it in newborns. In her arms, it's darkening up. We've got storms moving in and it's evening. I don't know if you can see the glitter. Nah, it's not really, it's glitter, but it's not. It's real fine. She has a glimmer in her eyes. I just wish the eyes themselves fit a little better, like the, not pupil, iris was bigger so that she didn't look so startled.
She looks like a goblin, not an elf with the big
goblin, yeah.
Cave goblin kind of.
Yeah, there you go. I really do like her. I like her little eyebrows, and she's all, I mean, she feels like a newborn. Look at her little ears, how blushed they are and veined. Let's roll her over. I'm going to powder her, but before I powdered her, I wanted to show you how well, see, she's got veining in her arms, and she's still wet too. You'll see some drops of water. But her, you know, her little body, see the dog here? Whoops. We have black German Shepherds, and they are blowing coat like crazy.
But that's vein there, not
That's vein, not dog hair, yeah. And look at her little feet. They have like footprints, like the prints in them. And this one, the little toes are separate. Her little hands, let me roll her back over. Her little hands also have handprint on them. And actually I think there's fingerprint. I mean, I really got my money's worth, for sure. I just thought she was going to be more preemie. Well, she is preemie size. Without a doubt, she's preemie size, even full term. I don't know. Her legs are short, or maybe not. Maybe it's just me, and I didn't know what to expect. Her mouth is pretty open. I just need to learn how to, you people are going to have to teach me. See her tongue? She has an actual tongue, and her little lip is colored like a lip is colored. Look at that. It really is incredible. And like I said, the eyes are, I'm going to take her out in the sun for one of the videos because they just glimmer. I like her. I'll get her powdered and we'll do another video another time. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, plus another comment with a line from Highway to Hell.
And subscribe.
And please subscribe.